Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a very interesting JavaScript question, and also it has been asked in a MNC company like IPM. So it's definitely very important question for your interview. Okay, so let's start. Here we are given one array like JavaScript, React and JavaScript. Okay, and our goal is to find the longest string from this array. Okay, so here we understand the question. Okay, and here it's also told that to find the longest string in array, use the shortcut way. Here you can also use the for loop, for each loop, and there are so many ways to solve this question. But the optimized and shortcut way is to use the reduce. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. So first of all, we create one function whose name is longest value, and in this we are passing this array. Okay, and take this. Okay, so we can solve this question using reduce. So first of all, we can do A and B if A dot length is greater than B dot length, then output is A, otherwise output is B. So here we got our result. So now let's understand step by steps. So first of all, the reduce is used to compare the two values at a time. Okay. So A, that means it takes the previous value. It takes the previous value. And B, that means current value. So reduce is help to compare the previous value and current value if the previous value's length is greater than the current value. That means if A is greater than B, so output is always A. And if A is less than B, then output is always B. Okay, so let's try run this code. So first of all, it can compare A and B. That means the previous value and current value. So first of all, it compares JavaScript and React. So our final answer is React because the length of React is greater than the JavaScript. After that, it will compare the JavaScript to the output of the previous one. Okay, so previous one output is React and the current one is JavaScript. So the final answer is JavaScript. So final answer is JavaScript. That's why here we got the final answer JavaScript. Okay. Now let's do this question with AI and identified developers can do it better way or AI can do it. Okay. So here we can use the different AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. So first of all, we send it to ChatGPT. Okay. So here in a ChatGPT, we can ask solve this question in JavaScript. Let's check. Okay, so here AI can also use the reduce. Okay, and there is also one alternative way. Here we can also use the sort. Okay, so it will sort the array based on the length, and here we can do b minus a. And at the place of 0, it will always give the longest value. So here is the another way, but the best one is the reduce. Now we are giving to Gemini. So here it also use the reduce and second is sort. Now what about the perfect people? Let's check. Okay, here also it use the reduce. So we can say that reduce is the best way to solve this type of question. So can you please comment down you got the idea or not? And also, if you found this helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to see the next video.